2012 pass out from Information Technology Department of KK Wagh College. Actually, when we talk about KK Wagh College, there is a lot more to say. It just cannot be explained in words. Whatever we have learned in almost 4 years of our engineering college will actually help us throughout our life. There were many educational programs which helped us to groom ourselves in every possible way. There were many kind of guidance sessions which actually helped us to excel in the department which we wanted. The teachers are very helpful. They help us in every possible way. There were different kind of educational sessions which they conducted. Whenever we have doubts, they actually felt the need to clear our doubts, no matter how simple or how difficult the doubts were. We never felt like we were asking something very silly or something very irrational. It was almost kind of fun, like educating yourself from the KK Wagh College. Besides this, we have a lot more kind of cultural activities as well. So when we talk about the college, it's not only education, but with the education, you grow yourself in every possible way. That is, you grow yourself in the cultural way, you grow yourself in the academic, as well as you grow yourself in the sports kind of environment. So it actually helps in totality to groom yourself, to groom your career in every possible way. Right now, I have a 4+ years of experience. I am a Java developer. I was previously working in the EQ technology company. Currently, I have just switched my company to TIAA, and right now I am in the finance domain. So the education which was imparted in the KK Wagh College actually is helping me to cope with the technological challenges that currently I am facing. So the basic advice which I wanted to give to the upcoming students would be to actually keep yourself updated with the latest technologies almost every time. It is never in the case that whatever you have learned will always satisfy the industry standards. In order to satisfy the industry standards, you always have to keep yourself updated with the latest technologies. So once you have the latest technologies and once you have those basic concepts clear, it is almost certain that you will always excel in whatever you do in your career future, and many more years to come. It will actually help us to take you way forwards and much to learn ahead. So never actually stop yourself from learning, and never estimate that whatever you have learned will actually satisfy you or satisfy your future needs. So be rest assured that once you educate from KK Wagh College, you are almost very privileged person, because the name of the KK Wagh College is almost admired everywhere. Just when you tell you are from KK Wagh College, even the industry recognizes that you are a talented and you are kind of a very hard working individual. So now the rest depends on you. So if you are hardworking, if you are dedicated, you can excel yourself in every possible way. Just the other advice would be to open yourselves to the technological sides, to as much as possible to learn the open standards and to keep yourself updated with the latest open softwares that you can learn, like from the GitLab or from every other kind of educational source you could get. So that would be my advice, actually, to keep yourself learning at every possible stage. Yeah, thanks, and it's been pleasure to be been invited to the alumni meet, and let's hope that we excel all are in our career, and let's hope that the future upcoming generations of KK Wagh College would too excel themselves and keep the name of the college as it is. Thanks very much.